Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Microsoft Store is not working or opening or not downloading or not installing time stuck in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type WSRESET. WSRESET. Here will run command. You need to click on run command over here. This will reset the Microsoft Store guys. Hopefully that can resolve your problem guys. Go to library over here left side corner, and you can also update your apps guys in library. That will get faster than before. Get updates. I'm up to date guys, everything. Go to games, whatever games you want to update it. Just here option will be there, update option. You can update it, and whatever apps you can update it. You can easily update. Open instead of open icon, here will be updated or updated option will be there guys. And close out of here. If you not get resolved guys, still you having issue, go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator. Now click yes. Now here you need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. Being verification of system scan, this verification gets 10 minutes at least guys. This 1% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, go and restart your PC guys. After that you will get resolved guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.